So this is our QConnect panel. Here you'll be getting the option to log in into the account. Once you click here in the login option, you'll be getting a login type, which is admin and agent. So you have to log in as an admin here. You mention your account ID and the password and just submit it from here. And this is how your account will be going to look like. You'll be getting the number of the calls, connectivity here, all of that details. The major role here plays the login recording section. Here you'll be getting the entire logs which has been received by the customer and assisted by the bot. The entire details, conversation, customer detail will be updated here in the log section. There in the filter option, you can update last 30 days, 90 days data as per your business requirement. And this is how you'll be getting the transcript analysis, everything here. So you can see here the entire recordings has been updated. Different customer has a different recording, all of that. Let me play one recording for you and give out the detail that how it will looks like. Okay. So I'll be taking this customer, which is named by Barkha Quadrafo. They will be getting the bot number, the date and timing, which customer has called. If the customer name has been saved, you'll be getting the customer name visibility here. This call has been treated by the bot. You can see the entire conversation has happened between the bot and the customer. In some of the cases, if you would like to transfer the bot call to the live agent, that also will be get recorded and tracked from the same panel. There will be the recording playing option. Once you click here, the entire conversation which has been made between the bot and the customer will be get played here. Suppose that the unique feature of this conversation of the AI tool, which is the transcript analysis of the calls, they will be getting the entire transcript, which is mean by in the language of English. That whatever the conversation has happened, it could be Hindi, English, or any of the language. You'll be getting the transcript here in the English language. So the bot has stated how the cancellation request has been generated by the customer, the PNR number, all of that. Whatever as again, whatever the conversation has happened, that will be get transcribed here. And if you have any end of CRM and you wanted to integrate this QConnect platform with any of your NCRM, the entire logs, transcript, sentiment and analysis, everything will be get passed and transferred to the NCRM also. So this is how the details are looking like. And if you want to download the data, there is a simple option you're having here in the cloud section. Once you click here, you can easily download the entire customer details along with the recording URL.